Hi guys, so today I'm going to make a quick little project of a hair scrunchie. Here's one I did in the, I guess it's like a cream, I was going to say white, but I think it's a creamy off-white colour. This one's more like a burgundy. So just a basic ouchless hairband, I'd say. The ones without the metal on are better. So yarn on your hook. I'm just going to go in and attach it to the hairband with a slip stitch, sorry. Chain 1, and then I'm going to do 25 double crochets. So 1, and I'm using the, excuse my squeaky chair, I'm using this velvet yarn from Walmart. It's like $6 a ball. Super soft though. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, trying to get my yarn to come with me. 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then just find the first one you did, slip stitch right into the top, fasten off, and then we're going to weave both these ends in. Weaving in is important, otherwise the yarn is not going to stay on. Don't go too far because you're going to be stretching this a lot, you know, to tie it in your hair, and you'll just end up pulling it out. There's one. Now the top one. I think I've probably gone through about an inch worth. And then back again. And there we go. These are super cute. These will look good together too. Okay, thank you guys.